In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple Google Ads accounts efficiently and effectively in just 5 minutes. If you've got several Google Ads accounts to juggle, it can get quite overwhelming to handle all the data separately. That's where a multi-client center or MCC account comes in handy. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you need to sign into your Google Ads account. Just go to ads.google.com and use your credentials to log in. If you don't have a Google Ads account yet, you'll need to set one up. Remember, you must be logged in to proceed with any of these steps, so make sure you're on the right account. Now, the next step is crucial, creating a multi-client center or MCC account. An MCC account is essentially an umbrella account that lets you manage multiple Google Ads accounts from a single login. This not only saves time, but also helps you keep everything organized in one place. If you haven't got an MCC account yet, you can create one by going to the Google Ads MCC sign-up page. Follow the instructions there, enter your details, and voila, you've set up your own MCC account. Once your MCC is created, the next thing to do is click on the Accounts tab. You'll see a blue plus sign there. That's your gateway to linking additional accounts. Click on it to proceed. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Link Existing Account. This option allows you to bring other Google Ads accounts under the management of your MCC. Now, here's where you need a bit of information. The Google Ads customer ID of the account you wish to link. Your customer ID is a unique number assigned to each Google Ads account. You'll have to locate this number for the account you want to manage. It's usually found at the top of the Google Ads dashboard once you're logged in. Enter this customer ID into the appropriate field. Once you've submitted the customer ID, you'll need to wait a bit. The owner or primary user of the account you're trying to link must approve this request. This is a security measure to ensure proper access and prevent unauthorized account management. After the owner of the other account approves the request, you're all set. You can now manage all linked accounts directly from your MCC dashboard. This centralized management makes it simple to monitor campaigns, check on performance metrics, and make necessary adjustments without having to log into each account separately. There you have it, a streamlined way to manage multiple Google Ads accounts with ease. Taking advantage of an MCC not only helps you manage your campaigns more efficiently, but also gives you greater visibility and control over your digital advertising efforts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.